Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the subnet mask on your Windows 11 computer. So subnet mask is a 32-bit number used in IPv4 that divides your IP address into a network and host portions. The network portions ensures that the data packets reach the right network, while the host portion identifies a specific device on that network. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel and click mo lang dito yung open. Ang next step, so dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung category, and then next step, so dito sa category ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and internet, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and sharing center, so click mo lang yan. So dito sa network and sharing centers, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select kung ano yung internet connections yung ginagamit mo. Okay? So i-click lang natin dito yung ating network connections. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang properties. Alright? So dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung properties. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa kanyang properties, and dito lang sa disconnections uses the following items. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Internet Protocol versions for TCP/IPv4. So kailangan naka-check yung box. And next step, so dito sa right side, sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung properties. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang Internet Protocol versions properties, so dito lang sa general, and then dito lang ay kailangan mong i-select dito yung use the following IP address. So click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang, kailangan mong i-select dito yung use the following DNS server address. Okay? So i-check mo lang dito sa baba. And then pwede ka nang maglagay dito ng subnet mask. Alright? So click mo ganyan. And then pwede ka nang mag-enter dito ng numbers. Alright? And dito rin. So pwede kang mag-enter dyan. And then pagkatapos, i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to change the subnet mask in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.